Hello friends, I'm Parikshet from Kids Fun Learn Vlog, and we're going to make Papad type of salad. Maybe it's going to be a little spicy, but you have to eat it quickly because it's going to get soggy, friends. This recipe. So we need the India's most famous pepper, and we need tamarind dip and coriander dip, chickpea, made in tomato gravy by my mom. We need cucumber and onion and mango powder and fresh coriander. And let's start making. Put in some tamarind dip. I can't wait to eat this thing. I think that's it. Coriander dip, friends. That's it, I think. Now we're going to put in some chickpea. Now we are going to put in some onion and cucumber, friends. Look at this. Now we're going to put in some black salt and mango powder. Now coriander. Should I eat? No, let me put more tamarind and coriander dip. Now, here it. Now let's eat it. Eat it quickly, it's gonna get soggy. Now this. It's a nice taste, friends. It's very tasty.